Hi everyone. Imagine your heart is racing. You probably have a hard time breathing and your chest feels so tight. There's a slight ringing in your ears and you feel dizzy. And before you know it, you're on the floor collapsing. If you do not know what this is an extreme case of heart disease. According to the CDC, 1 in 4 deaths in the United States is caused by heart disease. The phrase heart disease refers to severe diseases relating to the heart, such as coronary artery disease, heart attack, hypertension, and more. Research shows that also black and white men are more at risk for developing and dying from a heart disease. About 655,000 deaths result from heart disease each year. Imagine one person dying every 36 seconds. That is as a result of heart disease. Each person that dies is someone's family member or loved one. There are many risk factors for heart disease. This includes diabetes, obesity, unhealthy diet, physical inactivity, and excessive alcohol use. Today I will go over the steps to reduce the risk of developing heart disease, which consists of choosing healthy habits, reducing daily stress, and taking charge of existing medical conditions. First, we'll talk about choosing healthy habits. We are mainly to choose foods that are low in sodium and saturated fats because eating foods high in salt and sugar can increase the blood pressure and keep someone at risk for diabetes. In addition, we are supposed to limit the amount of alcohol we drink to little or none at all. The amount of alcohol an individual drinks can increase the blood pressure. According to the CDC, the limit per day of alcohol in men is 2 drinks, and for women it's actually 1 drink. So for most of us, we're actually going over the daily limit. We are all stressed from all aspects of our lives, so we do need to find a way to relax. It's no news that most of us are college students and have full-time and part-time jobs as well. So our plates are heavily loaded, but we do have to find a way to distress. I have found that yoga and exercise helps to reduce the hormones called adrenaline and cortisol, which can keep the heart at ease. Also, it helps to have a support system. So your family, your friends, your coworkers, someone that you can vent to about daily issues. There's a saying that a problem half known or problem known is half solved, because when people know about what's going on or you do talk about it, you have a way to distress and your heart rate reduces or goes back to normal. Also, it's important to know that heart disease is just one condition. There are other medical conditions. Some people are aware that they have a medical condition and some do not. So we do have to take the necessary steps to be in control of our health. Always check your blood pressure, either by buying a blood pressure machine. It's called a sphygmomanometer. Or if you don't want to do that or you don't want to have one, I know that the local Walmarts have the automated machine where you can check your blood pressure. You are supposed to know that the healthy blood pressure should be at systolic of 120 and a diastolic at 80. That's the top and the bottom number. So the top should be at 120 and bottom should be at 80. Anything over that, then you do have to speak to your doctor. Take your medications as directed, not as needed. Also, speak to your doctor before you stop a medication. Don't take a medication that's not supposed to be for you. Don't take a medication that's prescribed to someone else. Also, be your biggest advocate. So if you go to your doctor's office and if you have a question, make sure you ask your doctor about it. As previously stated, heart disease is a serious and dangerous condition. It's one of the leading causes of death in the United States. Choosing healthy habits, reducing daily stress, and taking charge of your medical conditions can help to prevent the disease. I hope that we have all learned the importance of taking care of our health and what goes on in our bodies and in our daily lives. Now we can create habits for a healthy lifestyle and live longer. Hopefully to graduate, to see our kids, grandkids, and also to see others succeed. Thank you very much.